Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add watermark from page 2 in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add watermark from the page 2. Go to the second page, then click right button on our mouse and select Insert section. Then go to the View menu. And we can see here the master pages option. Select this, then go to the insert menu, click the draw text box option and draw a text box, then write our watermark text, then select this text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size, then applying the bold effect. You can change the color. Now I select this text fill option and choose this color, then rotate the text box and go back the master pages menu, click close master page, then go to the first page and click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages menu, click none, then check all page. We can see we insert or add watermark from page 2 very easily. First page is not available the watermark. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.